In Paris, hot chocolate is more than a drink. It's a cherished tradition offering a comforting break to sweeten the day. We start this list at Les Deux Magots, which was a favorite of literary luminaries such as Ernest Hemingway. Watch as waiters expertly navigate crowds while serving their signature hot chocolate, which strikes the perfect balance between sweetness and richness. Savor a velvety concoction while soaking up the rich history of this iconic cafe. Right across the street from Les Deux Magots is Café de Flore, which exudes timeless Parisian charm. Opened since 1887, it offers decadent hot chocolate that is thick, flavorful, and served in a teapot designed for second helpings. Pair it with the savory quiche for the quintessential Parisian experience. To no one's surprise, Yves Saint Laurent and Givenchy once sought inspiration on its terrace. Carette is a go-to destination for a perfectly smooth and balanced cup of chocolatey delight. Loved by both locals and travelers, this classic establishment serves a signature hot chocolate in a vintage carafe, accompanied by a silver cup filled with luscious chantilly cream. Located near the Louvre, Angelina is legendary for its heavenly desserts and luscious chocolat chaud made with cocoa sourced from Niger, Ghana, and Ivory Coast. The Belle Époque style salon, adorned with gilded mirrors and intricate gold accents, offers a regal setting for this rich drink. Don't miss the signature Mont Blanc, a meringue ball topped with whipped cream and sweet chestnut puree to complement your cup. Le Café Marly embodies the soul of Paul Marly, offering front row seats to the Louvre's glass pyramid. Whether you're seated on the terrace to people watch or indoors admiring the intricate woodwork, the spot is ideal for enjoying a silky cup of hot chocolate, combining the allure of a brasserie with the charm of a literary cafe. It's a serene place to unwind with a good book and a delectable treat. Check out JetsetTimes.com for more details, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel content.